Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how easy it is to place SMD components with the PicoGrab. This is very convenient, especially for tiny components. The PicoGrab has ample suction power and a variety of tips, allowing secure handling of components in different sizes. See how precisely you can place the component. No mistakes or extra effort. If you need to move a component, it's no problem. With the PicoGrab, everything is easy to adjust. If you need a tool for working with various SMD components, the PicoGrab is just what you need. Don't forget to subscribe to Electrocrafting and give a thumbs up.